What's up, guys? So because we got 100 subscribers, we're gonna do an overnight challenge at a construction site.
So bright.
And
Owen's coming, but
hopefully we don't get
Construction site
caught.
overnight challenge. Here we go.
Yeah, like
it's not 24 hours.
I'll edit
though.
like a little map
we
of
know,
like
Ashton,
what we're
thanks.
doing.
Thanks, Ashton, for the information.
Ashton.
We'll meet
But,
you there.
Yeah, we're hopefully don't get caught. Okay, this is the map of where the construction site is, but like there's no houses because it's like not updated. But like this is where we're gonna be at. All right, we found some weird pizza. Look at all these
It's
ants.
glitching.
Oh. Bro, I need to cut that out. Can you stop cussing?
Should I judge a piece?
Oh my.
Okay, so this is the construction site we're trying to go at. I don't think you guys can see much right here, but hold on.
Yo, I just kissed.
Okay, we don't recommend anybody to do this because also the fire truck station's like right in front of us, so if we like shine lights, they might actually see us. So
Had to walk in.
yeah. Okay, guys,
We're all by ourselves.
we might sleep at this house right here.
Nah, but that house is not good.
Actually, no, because that one looks like it's getting worked on.
Let's see if I like this one. No, let's go like that one.
Alright, this is a pretty nice house.
Like that one or that one?
Let's go into this one real quick.
This one's kind of nice. Wait, guys, we forgot to do the log picture.
Alright, this one like has, this one isn't really finished. Alright guys, it's like 11 a.m. right now, so. Oh shoot. Yeah, don't touch the, bro. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my light real quick.
Let's see if it's cold.
Okay guys, look, the
Oh, it's lukewarm. It's lukewarm.
police station is right out there. Oh frick, you guys cannot. I mean, police station. So like, we
I
don't
don't know
know.
if we should
Yeah.
stay here. There's like a coffee and like a
Look,
freaking
right
monster.
there.
Let's go one more.
Alright guys, we're migrating to a new house, so we're gonna check it out. Alright guys, this house looks finished. So, oh crap.
Make sure there's no one.
I'm low-key scared, guys.
Knock on the
Kid,
door.
how you feeling?
I'm not that scared because we get caught.
Feeling awesome.
Yeah, I mean there's so much houses to hide in, bro. It feels like 90 degrees in here. I know.
Actually nice in this house though.
Alright, we might stay in this one.
Lights don't work yet.
Alright.
This could be the house.
Alright. Holy, okay. Alright, this is the weirdest part. Like, every single bathtub is always full of water in all the construction sites. But, oh my gosh.
Imagine like we wake up and we just like see construction workers.
Look at all this.
Shooting range.
Water bottles. Yeah.
Like where you shoot stuff.
And we heard a creak like right here.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on.
Is it warm?
They probably do shoot, but they probably try to ghost it.
You guys wanna check? You guys wanna check upstairs? Okay, this is by far the sketchiest. Okay, guys, like the middle school. The elementary school is right here.
Man, it is, but it's lucky scary.
Alright, so me and Westner, we're looking out for like stuff. Like we just heard a fire truck like stop over there, so. And we don't know if there's somebody in in here. We don't know.
Well, yeah.
Okay, so
It's so dark.
guys, we're gonna be doing hide and seek. Me and Ashton, we're doing like duos.
What are you doing?
Owen and JJ, I think. Stop, bro. If I didn't get the cops on. And then me and Ashton are gonna seek first, so. Go hide.
Go.
Okay, we're counting to 2 minutes. I'm trying to find them.
Alright, we're hiding behind some wood, I think. Yeah, wood.
It's like
bricks.
redwood or something.
I don't know what this is.
This is wood. It's like not.
It's like side housing or whatever. And we moved spots. We were like under a basement or whatever, right?
I think it was like foundations. I think.
Yeah, that's like under the house or something.
I mean, I'll just show them. What is the second one?
Just fun.
Anyways, foundations. I'm pretty sure it's like just they're kind of deep, but like not deep enough so where I stand. There's a lot of them though. It just all goes underground with little things to hold up the house. Probably that was a good spot, but they're not really doing that good.
I don't know why they're all full of water. Here. Oh my. This is actually a good spot to sleep. Look, water in the bathtub. Like, what is this? In with some soda. Alright.
Alright, me and JJ, this is our hiding spot. Anyone want this, bro? Over there. They're like right over there. So, we need to keep quiet until they don't find us.
We might find some. I guess we got some baths for the night.
Okay, don't need to see myself. Walking on like gravel, dirt, poop. Let's use you guys the light here.
No, the one over.
Do I start running? Yeah. What if you go back to home base? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
We're here. Bro, they literally said if we see them, then it counts as them. We literally saw them, so. Which house was it?
Oh, are you serious? Freak, are you serious? Bro, okay. I'm gonna turn this off, but they're coming.
Bro, somebody was literally just right there. House isn't even finished. Frick. Like, they literally still need a ladder to get up. Bro, what are you guys doing up here? Just joking. Okay, this place isn't even finished at all, so yeah. Just gonna run from the back ways, like straight left, because I heard a lot of stuff over here. I think you guys can maybe hear it right now. Alright.
No, hold this.
I'm gonna yell anything after you throw it.
Oh, that's a house.
Oh my god. Hello? They're up here, bro. Bro, who is making that noise? Are you hearing that, Ashton?
3, 2, 1.
They're throwing it. Bro. Hold on. But they have to be over here. Bro,
Was it loud?
stop making those noises, bro. Like someone's gonna like. Bro. I didn't know like I didn't know there's like an underground right here.
Bro, fuck. You guys didn't find him yet?
I think we should like. Bro, stop doing that.
You didn't find him yet?
Weston, stop, bro.
Yeah, I'm sure gonna get a spot.
You didn't find him yet?
No, bro.
Blue 42 down here.
Bro, Kate, actually stop. If we get caught, this is why.
Blue 42. Say it. Say it.
Doing it for like 20 minutes.
Say hi.
Hut. Wait, gosh, Kate. Okay, so they're on the roof. We just saw a flashlight.
Let's just go.
Bro, you guys really threw a water bomb on them. But we're gonna go to sleep. Okay. I'll see. Wait, Kate, hello?
What?
Where are you?
So what?
I don't see you. I'm about to go to sleep. See you guys in the morning.
Good night, guys.
Wait, where are you at?
Where are you at?
Oh,
Where?
You said you made it back.
where's your house?
Why are you at
Why
our
don't you
house?
want to like?
Did you
We're at
fail?
your house.
Wait, what? When are you
Did you
coming back?
fail
Are you
the
gonna come back?
challenge?
Are we coming back?
Huh? We're not.
We might come back at like 4 o'clock. We need to charge our phones.
Alright, you guys lost the challenge.
We'll come back in a second, bro.
Hold on.
Come back. You guys have until what is it? 12:49.
11 minutes.
You guys have until 1 a.m. to be in the house right now and be like hanging out, or else you guys fail. All right. Oh my god, this is gonna be.
Guys, we're watching Jeffy, and we'll see you guys in the morning for real this time. Okay, guys, so a car like pulled up. And oh, I don't even know what they're doing, bro. Wait, let me see your phone so I can show them the time. 3:14. I can't see. 3:14. Okay. Bro, that person's walking down. I don't even know what she's doing, bro.
She's hop the fence.
I don't know if we should leave or not.
We should go with the driver's phone.
What? There. Well,
What is she? Freak, what is she doing?
I don't even know.
Are you recording?
I'm recording right now.
Bro, why is she just walking around?
Who is this?
Bro, what's happening?
Okay, I can't see her no more. We're gonna run.
Oh, weird, bro. Who is that?
I don't even know.
What are they doing? And maybe there's like check.
I don't know who would come here.
Three.
Yeah.
I don't know every time you jump, guys.
Well, basically, we wanted to stay until the morning, but I guess not.
The ops came.
You can still see
Wait, is
some.
it pointing at us or?
Like it's kind of. No, like I can't even see nothing. But yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Hey guys, we just woke up. Good morning.
It's 9. I think it's
1 in the morning right now. I mean, we kind of.
Shut up.
But yeah, thank you guys for 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
And
Wait, do we have 1,000 views on that one?
yeah, thank you for 1,000 views.
On our last
Yeah.
video.
Everybody like and subscribe. And
Hit
Peace
the
out.
little bell. And bye.
bye.